Hi, I'm Pam. Welcome to my kitchen. Today in my kitchen, we're making an easy Brazilian cheese bread. If any of my Brazilian friends can tell me how to pronounce this in Portuguese, please drop me a line. To make the Brazilian cheese bread, you're going to need an egg, olive oil, milk, Hampton Water rosé, tapioca flour, and it wouldn't be cheese bread without cheese.
Pour the milk into a measuring cup. Ever wonder how to open a bottle of Hampton water? Use your thumbs to press up on the glass cork as if you're popping open a bottle of champagne. Add the wine to milk. In a blender, add 1 egg, the olive oil, the milk-wine mixture, the tapioca flour, salt, and the cheese. Turn on the blender, gradually increasing the speed, stopping to scrape down the sides if necessary. Continue blending until smooth and only little bits of cheese remain.
Spray a muffin tin with nonstick cooking spray.
Fill the muffin tin cavities 2/3 of the way full.
The mystery of the unfilled muffin tin cavities. What do you do with them? Well, some people will fill them with water, saying that it promotes a more even baking. I'm in the camp that leaves them empty, saying it doesn't really make a difference. I've never had a problem. But one thing I will do is take some paper towel and just wipe out those muffin tin cavities not being used. This way the nonstick cooking spray doesn't bake on.
Now it's time to pop these in the oven, but don't peek during baking or they won't rise properly. Transfer to a wire rack. Serve warm. Enjoy this gooey, delicious Brazilian cheese bread. Remember to check out In Pam's Kitchen on Instagram and Facebook.